Personally, I don't like politics, seriously, because of our family history, Kurusi, and I usually don't support anybody who ventures into politics. This is the only exception I've supported. This gentleman seems to have, or actually has, integrity. He has a personality I admire. He has positive attributes I admire. He has visible objectives I admire. He has a good character I admire, and he's a family man. I like your character, and I believe you can do what you're doing for your family, you can do that for your community. When it comes to going again, I'll be behind you. Not as your wife, but but as one of your supporters. Thank you so much.